In a world where time is money, the Ricoh RI2000 direct-to-garment printer empowers you to spend less time on production and maintenance and more time growing your business. Print full-color graphics in less than 10 seconds. With single-pass printing, you can ramp up your production or use that extra time to optimize and grow your business. Ricoh designed the RI2000 with your needs in mind. Save time by automating your workflow. Optimize your inventory by analyzing your ink use and print volume over time. Deliver superior products with automated quality control and standardized color output across your network of printers. Ricoh's cutting-edge software solutions allow you to take your print business to the next level. Let's take a closer look. The Ricoh RI2000 delivers exceptionally fast print speeds. Outfitted with a dual carriage system, your job gets done quickly with true single-pass printing. The first set of heads lays down your pure white underbase, followed immediately by the second set as it deposits your color layer. The Ricoh RI2000 delivers impeccable print quality. Achieve fine photographic details in unlimited, eye-popping color at up to 1200 by 1200 DPI. You can print virtually any image on t-shirts, face masks, hoodies, tote bags, canvas, wood, glass, and more. Your only limit is your imagination. Print more and worry less. Intelligent auto-cleaning system and white ink agitation save time and make the machine incredibly easy to use and maintain. The Ricoh RI2000 stays in an active state, where it's walk-up ready and virtually guaranteed to produce a perfect print whenever you're ready to use the machine. An operation is simple. From automatic table height adjustment to quick change magnetic platens that easily snap on and off the machine, you'll spend less time setting up your prints, so you can spend more time focusing on your business. As for maintenance, it's easier than ever with next-generation features like the innovative head cleaning jig. Gone are the days of manual head cleans. Instead of messing with swabs and wipes, you now simply attach your cleaning jig, add cleaning solution, and select jig head maintenance. The printer does the rest of the work for you. The Ricoh RI2000 is exceptionally fast, easy to use, and delivers outstanding print quality. Take your business to the next level with the Ricoh RI2000 direct-to-garment printer.